Maiden flight.
Hoping for a good flight.
I think you got the wind going your direction too. It's coming in this way, right?
Yeah.
There's that storm cloud over there. Who else is there?
Nobody.
Ah,
I'm in trouble.
why? Oh, because you left without him?
I didn't tell him I was going. I said I was going somewhere else. Spencer jumped in the truck. I said, well, we're going. All right. Maiden voyage.
No, I don't want to see it go, man. That's a beautiful place.
How's it flying? How's the wind? I see the wind kicking it.
Obviously not. It looks pretty cool.
Remember I said get up high and see how slow you
I
can
ain't even got to do nothing.
get up high and see how slow you go before it stalls.
Yeah, so you know how to land it.
So you know you don't go slow to.
Obviously, it's a good plane, huh?
Wow.
James, give
He's got a heck of a headwind right there, though, don't you?
some feedback. How is it?
It is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Best ever, huh?
Well,
No trim needed?
no.
We got it right, huh?
Not even in the wind.
Well, he's got. Right now you're in a crosswind, aren't you? It sure is quiet.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Are you flying the Cessna?
I was thinking about it.
Yeah, you should. Concrete.
You got a crosswind. You see that? Did you see that, James? Going pretty slow.
Quarter throttle.
You are going down though, so you're picking up airspeed. You're gonna have to land with the crosswind, you know that, right? You have to use the rudder.
Like that.
At least you know you can pull. That was testing. No.
Messing around with that rudder.
Remember Steve's theory? Do it. Give yourself 3 mistakes in altitude. And you know there's water over there, right?
Yeah.
Spencer tell you about landed in it yesterday?
Yeah, he told me.
James, I want to see how it lands.
So does he. I do a couple flybys, James. You don't touch it down, but you might want to get out of the way here.
They say biplanes fly good, and with James,
This is where I gotta land, right? Back to me.
with James as a terrible,
Yeah, I know.
terrible flyer. I mean, he is terrible at flying.
Yeah, we can see that with all the rolls and loops. Remember, don't stall it.
His plane must be very good. Are you gonna land in the grass?
Well, nice thing about the grass, it's soft.
I'm just testing here.
All right, get it down. All right, practice. I want to see it come right across here, and then touch and go.
I'm fucking shaking. I'm shaking right now.
Hey, we can't say that on YouTube.
Well,
Get back up, get back up.
watch it go, baby.
That was a walk-away landing. Real McCoy this time? Spencer, go turn off my headlights.
Wow.
Hey, I'm over here. Don't hit me. Your truck's here too. You got lots of road. That's a walkaway landing. You're supposed to be able to taxi it back to you though.